Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dawn, and I thought I would do a little fun project with you guys today to showcase a product that I am promoting for Bond Crafter. They sent me this UV resin hard type kit, and it comes with 3 of these bottles that are 100 grams each, so there's a lot of UV resin here in the package. There's instructions, and there's these tip nozzles with a reclosable top. And I just wanted to do something different and fun. So I love this little bear mold. I think that it's adorable. I've done these a number of times, and they do make the cutest little chubby bears that I do like charms and keychains out of. So I want to do, I'm going to do just the bottom row, and I'm going to fill these up, try to get all the bubbles out, which this doesn't really bubble a lot, so I like that. So I'm going to do 4 little clear bears, and then I want to try attaching something to the back to see if the clear bear will magnify it up through. I'll show you what I mean when I get there, but let's fill these up. I'm going slow just to let it flow. All right, so spin this around, pop my nail light on, and give them a 2-minute cure. Okay, so 2 to 4 minutes is what the manual recommends, and I did 4 minutes, and they're a little warm. And let's try popping this out and see what happens. Oh my goodness, how adorable are those? They are super clear too. I'm gonna run a light behind them just so I can check for any occlusions in them. Looks good. I don't want to get too many fingerprints on them. That one's got a little bubbling up in the head. That one looks really good. Oh yeah, these 3 look really good. So what I want to do is apply paint skin to the back, and I'll use the UV resin to attach it. So let me grab a paint skin, and we will give that a try. Okay, so I have chosen 3 different paint skins, and I'm just going to cut a piece out of this when I see an area that I think is going to work. Oh, it really magnifies it. It's very cool. So I like this fine detail here. I'm just going to cut out a little piece, and what I'll do is attach it and then cut around. I'll try it that way anyways. I don't know of any other way to do it. So that's going to be for one. So let's do the pink one first. Tiny little drop of resin. going to carefully move this up. Give it a little press. And let's see how she does. Let's give it 2 minutes. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Yep, it is attached well. Appears to be cured. Got a little air in there. Maybe I need a bigger bubble of resin. Just poking a hole. Yeah, it's definitely not cured at 2 minutes. So, we're going to give it another 2 minutes. All right, let's try again. All right, much better. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try to trim off all of this excess. Let me get as close as I can with scissors and then clean it up with my X-Acto knife. Okay, so, and move our pieces out of the way. I got a couple of whiners. You can hear them in the background. They are crated because this is the time of day they're normally crated, but I'm not normally home. And it's making them very anxious. Okay, so I have probably enough on there to then take a fine brush and move this out and seal that edge. This looks really good. And I'm going to give this a 4-minute cure. And I'll be back. Okay, that is a 4-minute cure. And this is a 148 watt nail lamp, not one of the UV curing lamps that you buy on Amazon for 12 bucks. So that sealed in really good. I would take a fine nail file or something to just smooth that really well. But I have my first bear. So I'm going to complete these two. And I think what might be smart with these is to let them set for 6 hours or overnight to fully get rid of this tackiness. You can't wipe these with alcohol to get rid of the tackiness. It's not like nail gel. So I would let them set for probably overnight, and then they'll be more handleable. This one has got some fingerprints and smudges on it where it's dull, and it's probably not restorable. I probably could try to buff it out. I don't know. But they're really cute, and I'm going to let these set overnight and finish these two, and I will show you the finished results in a flyover. Okay, they are finished, and you can definitely see the bloom skin through the clear resin, and it's a really cute look. I love these. And I think that these will become gifts because I haven't sent out my Christmas stuff yet. This one's my favorite. Love the green and the gold together. And I ended up backing them because some of the bloom skins were white on the back and it didn't really look good, so I just added a little resin and swished in some pigment. These turned over. And so they are kind of domed on the back. It's a little bit better look. I think I would kind of polish that up and do something a little bit different next time. And I am going to do up a bunch of them. I had a little fun with some interference colors and tinting the UV resin black for the backing. And I did this little piggy ball gown and this little piggy twinkle. And those came out really cute. They almost glow. And then I did black on the back of both of these. So those were fun. And again, that was Bond Crafter UV resin. I'll put all the information plus the discount code in the description. I thank you for watching. If you have questions, please leave it in the comments. Like, share, and definitely subscribe. I will catch up with you soon. Bye for now.